Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so casting works reliably. First, make sure the TV supports Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or at least an HDMI input. That determines your method. Once done, connect your phone, tablet, or laptop and the TV to the same Wi-Fi network. 5 GHz is best for stability. Now enable the TV's screen mirroring or casting mode in its input or network settings. This opens a listening state, so your device can find and pair with it immediately. Next, you'll initiate the cast from your source device and configure critical settings. On Android, open Quick Settings and tap Cast. On iOS, use Control Center and Screen Mirroring. On a laptop, use Chrome's Cast option. Choose the TV name shown. If a pairing code appears on screen, enter or accept it to secure the link. After connected, adjust resolution, orientation, and audio output so video fits the TV frame and sound routes to the TV speakers for the best experience. To finish, confirm playback and make small performance tweaks so casting stays smooth. You should close other streaming apps and background tasks on your device to free bandwidth and CPU cycles. If wireless casting stutters, use an HDMI cable as a reliable fallback and switch the TV to that input. If the TV won't appear or frames drop, restart your router, TV, and device in sequence. That renews network leases and clears transient issues, so discovery and casting work again quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.